So let's see. That's kind of loose there. All right. All right, so the bow eye. This, I was up here, get this better. I was up here vacuuming this anchor storage out, and basically that block that's behind the bow eye is basically rotted. And so I think just tightening up the nuts there isn't going to help. So I'm going to loosen the whole thing, pull it out, and make a whole new block for that. So that's one of the other projects on the list. All right, let's see what we can do. All right, maybe now, let's see, I get the light on it. You can see how rotten it is. See, crunchy crunchies, crunchy crunchies. So this guy has to be redone. Guess I'm gonna have to go get a hammer. Alright. And that's basically it. See how rotten everything is. Success. So, alright, that's it. I gotta get to work on it. Alright, I got my new block of wood made, and I got it wedged in there, so I'm gonna pre-drill it. This way then I can caulk it, put it back in, wedge it up, put the U-bolt back through, and bolt it right in place. So I'm gonna hop around the other side and drill it out. Alright, take two. I got some extra sticks because when I started drilling, it all fell down. So let's try again. dead battery. All right. Well, that's much better. Alright, I'll leave that like that so I can add a little, I want to goop a little caulk out those holes. We'll see what it looks like. Alright, this time I got me a ratchet to put these nuts back on instead of fighting with a wrench. So anyway, it's caulked, it's through, U-bolt's through, and just gotta get the nuts on. Alright. So much easier, huh? Better than new, huh? Alright. I'm just gonna snug them up a little more. I don't want to make it too tight. I'm gonna put a little dollop of caulk on top. Just keep water from, you know, if any water comes through the anchor hole there. What the heck is the name for that? I don't remember. Anyway, so when my line and chains coming down to the anchor locker, get some moisture here. I'll lock that up. All right. Anyway, another project done. Today's date is September 20th, and it's nice out today. Not as hot as it's been working on the boat over the summer. So, can knock that off the list, right? So, hopefully. So my next project is I want to get back. I haven't finished working on the motor mount yet, so I want to work on that. Alright, so we're going to call that project done, and we'll move on to the next one. Alright, thanks for doing it in. Later. There we go. I get the light on there in the right spot, but there you go. Good as new.